Okay, here we go, guys. Look at this. Then obviously we can see. Let's go to daily. First, so we can deal with this. So we can see this is like a hook point. This is an important area. This one, important area, and we also have the second one here. So it's either it's going to act on this one, or also act on this one. So chances are that this might still push a bit higher to this one than before the actual drop. That's what we might have. So as we go lower to the 4H, as we go lower to the 4H, you can see how the market has been moving this area. You can clearly see that the market has been just correcting, missed here, went down, came back up, also still missed here, went down, it keeps on correcting. So this is the hot. What we speak of a hot area, we're speaking of this area. This area is very hot. So let's go to a lower time frame again, lower than what we actually have, so we can still see. So what someone can do is that they can see that this thing, it's a big channel as well. So we can even still continue going lower again to see further what can we say or what can we do. So from my view, I can still see, I still have this. Let's see. Can take it from here. It's still fine. So yeah, this thing, if I go back to the 1 hour, you can still see. But on the 1 hour, one thing that I want to show you is that as we are using multi-touch confirmation, we have the first touch, second touch. So chances are that you might get a third touch here. Yeah, so it can push a bit higher, break this, then give us something solid, nice, then drop. You see, it is there. So that's what I'm actually looking at for this pay. I think it's the similar movement as this one. Let me do this. I think it's the same. If we check AUD/USD, see this one is clean, straightforward. See, expecting it to reach here. This one is just clean, same, straightforward. Yeah, one thing that one can do is that wait for it to correct a bit small, make a clear correction, then it's gonna drop. With this clear correction here, make sure that you will see a structure, a mini structure inside here that allows you to trade it. Here, so that when it's like that, you can easily enter, because before entering, the biggest issue is our stop loss. Where will I put my stop loss? Let's maybe put it here. I think around here. I think 15 pips, 15, 16, 15 pips would do. Then yeah, you're expecting it to reach here. Just the low. So this is the mindset behind USD. Then Euro JPY is the same as CSD JPY, because all of them, they have the JPY, so it's the similar mindset. Because even if I go to the lower time frame, I want you to see, so it's like this. So for me, I'm waiting for it to come back below this area. Once maybe it make a third touch, no, not an issue, make a third touch, it can give you maybe a small continuation here, something small continuation, then drop. But I'll take something below here. For me, I'll take something below here. If I'm gonna take something here, this is still high in the run, chances are that it might just act small, then continue pushing higher. So if it breaks this, then for me it gives me a clear confirmation that it's gonna drop, continue dropping. Taking it here, it's a high risk entry. Yes, you can take it with the first impulse, the golden run. The first impulse, first correction, most of the time plays out, but chances are that can come up, maybe make a double top, then even also drop. you see, then maybe form a bigger structure like this. That's what you must also have in your mind, that this is all the possibilities. But if we check the 1 hour and everything, this is still a possibility. But this trade, let me see if this it can. Okay, I think I have to use 1 day. Uh, this trade is also based on this area, same as the USD JPY, based on this area. Still based on this area. Let's see, let me just put this thing on top. That's good. It's based on this area. See, so chances are that if, let's say, in case it misses this one, then you also still have this. But this one you might take you just 3 months, 4 months to reach here. So otherwise, let's do this. Then let me quickly move to the next one. The NZDGPY, also same scenario, same mindset, same mindset, same mindset. This one. So where will I take my trade? Where will I be interested? For me, I'll definitely be interested here. You see this area here, came down here, went up, retested this area, went back down, then it broke it correctively. So when it comes back and it impulses down, break this area, anything below this area, I'm gonna take it to the downside. Yeah, but if it's gonna be up here, I'm not interested. Even if it makes a small impulse correction, I won't take it, because that small impulse correction can retest. It can also, that small correction can just do something like impulse, then maybe it corrects, makes a correction. After the correction, then it pushes higher. Unlike something that comes here and makes this, it's below. You see, this is gonna be below. So then it gives me high confidence that I can take such a trade. So that's what I'll be having on my side. That's what I'm planning. Now this one explained. Let's see. I'm not explain this thing first of all. So USDCHF. This one, uh, I missed this opportunity. Not really missed it, but I was looking at it. This one, I wanted to take this one here to the downside, so I kind of missed it. But now it came back to give me an AFT kind of setup, whereby make impulse correction, drop, come back, retest the previous high of that correction, that is AFT, then continue dropping. This was also a good setup, but even now, I think we can still add something here if we are interested. You see, you can still have this as a high, a high like this, you see. Still, it works. So, meaning someone now can look for something like this here, then drop a fish. Now, this brings this a fish. Look, if you look at this, the whole thing here, it should remind you of this thing here. you see, because the market did the very similar thing here. So just know that it might repeat it as well here on the side here. So yeah, that's my plan. That's what I looked at. But here I missed this one. But this one I looked at it as like I'll take it some other time. Then I let it go because I was also trading AUD USD. But I saw it coming back doing this kind of thing. I was like, this is AFT Falcon, retest this correction, this high of the correction, then the market easily drops. You see, stuff like that. It's just some simple. Where did I press? This is just some simple thing. Then let's talk about the USD CAD. This one is a nice setup, but I went out. Easy, clean, clean. I took my entry here. Yeah, after the break of the double bottom from the main structure. This is the main structure. We saw it coming down here, correcting obviously from the impulsive leg correction, then expecting it to push a bit higher. So I'm not worried that I went out. I can still come back and re-enter. So we saw it correcting down here, just correcting after the break of this. So my entry here was this one. You see, my reason for interest that the reason why I entered here was that I used this as a barrier. If the market breaks this part and comes back, break the low, right? This was the low.